All right, with Save Club, there's two ways to look at it. Either from a savings point of view on things you're already buying, or maybe you're going to buy in the future, and that'll cost you 20 bucks minus 3 pennies. So for 1997, be a member, and you know what? Save your buns off. Have a good time and go in the back office and type in your zip code and see if there's local deals or national or worldwide deals if you're going to travel. Of course, there's hotels, there's rental cars, there's food, there's Sirius XM, and then there's food, pizza. That sounds good right now. I'm going on lunchtime as I produce this video. Papa John's is back there, but then Whoppers at Burger King, maybe a Frosty at Wendy's, all that big fattening food that gives you man boobs and cholesterol and probably high blood pressure and diabetes. My gosh almighty. Why not save money as you're getting all those things I just listed? But anyway, you need tires. Do you need automotive anything? Parts, service. There's so many categories of savings. All you got to do is just log into saveclub.com and go from there, okay? And I'll show you real quick. First of all, go to I Love Save Club and check out Save Club funnels. I'm going to get back to this, but this is how you join Save Club, and this is how you log in. Okay, so right here, folks, you can see saveclub.com. This is the home page. And if you want to look for deals, just as a member, not as an affiliate, click My Deals. And right on your screen, if you'd like, wherever you live, you can put in your zip code right here. I put in Salt Lake City's 84120, just so it pops up local deals to show you guys. But yeah, Progressive Insurance, Travelers, we've got window cleaning services here locally, the Ground Guys, Mosquito Joe's, of course, big, massive businesses like the parking spot at the airport's always nice to park, Ford, all right, and then here's the joke I was doing with Burger King and pizza, look, Papa Murphy's and Papa John's, Subway, billion-dollar companies already involved, and we're only 4 days into this. June 1st, we kicked this off. It's June 4th today. But billions of dollars are already just in the back office. Fortune 500 companies, Fortune 100, even the Fortune 50. But all you got to do is just put in your zip code. And yes, we're going worldwide. We're early. Now, we're only 4 days out, so just relax. If you're in Asian or African or down in Brazil or up by Greenland or, I don't know, Canada, even Mexico, don't worry. Over the next few months, 3 months and 6 months, we're going to have millions of deals worldwide in every country and every city. All you're going to do is log into Save Club, and yeah, the whole website converts to whatever language you speak. So don't worry about that. I'm pretty much English, you can probably tell. So all my videos are done in English. You can see here. You can click that drop-down arrow. But look at that. Deutsch. How about the Dutch? Espanol. How about some Italiano? But you guys can figure this out. That's the easy thing. So just remember, you log in, go to My Deals. Now, if you're going to join for 60 bucks, go ahead and join either by the month or by the year. If you join by the year, you're going to be VIP instantly, and you get bigger commissions. And you can go to the bottom of the web plan, and it says Pay Plan, or the bottom of your cell phone. Just watch. You can check out what's going on with the Pay Plan. And also at the bottom of this video, I have a link to the comp plan. So watch the official Save Club video on how we get paid. We get paid 5 ways, and it's awesome, especially the monthly one where your downline, you get a little something something from everybody. That one's a big old whipped cream and 5 cherries on top. But anyway, if you want to know about the compensation plan, just hit that Pay Plan link at the bottom of your cell phone or the bottom left of your home computer or your laptop, okay? And then, of course, there's training. So if you're going to join, we want to make sure you know what you're doing. We want you to kick butt. So watch this little video, and then this orange button, marketing material. That's where you get a ton of free pictures and videos already made. We want to make sure that you have things that you can upload while you're learning. So if you want to do video down the road, awesome. But if it takes you a week or a month to get your nerves, and everybody's like, oh, I don't want to do video. But if you want to do it, awesome. But if it's going to take you a while, we have videos already you can use. Just upload all video all over the place. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, of course, X, Twitter, Threads. Upload all of our material. Go crazy. Just make sure your personal link for people to join you in Save Club is active and it's correct, okay? Contact us. Yeah, you can get a hold of Save Club if you have questions, not about marketing, but about cryptocurrency, how you can join, how do I configure this, or if there's a problem, support at saveclub.com. Okay, they're pretty darn good. And here, when you join as an affiliate, you can see who's on the leaderboard. I think I'm like 9. I almost got 100 people signed up already. Look at that. I'm right there. Look, number 7. I'm excited about that. That's a lot of fun. And then rank recognition, who's ranking up to bank up. And there's all this cool stuff. You can see what's going on with your team and order history. But this is stuff you just go through after you join. But there's a lot of support. So just remember, you just go right here to My Deals after you log in. Now, this is important too. If you own a business, and usually once or twice a week, I have someone that'll get a hold of me and say, hey, how can I get my business in Save Club? Well, you join Save Club, you go into My Deals, and then go to the very bottom. See here where it says, are you a merchant and do you want to work with us? Just click this link and we'll see if your business qualifies to be in the back office here. Okay? Because I don't know if you own like a gym or a pizza place or maybe an insurance company or you sell Hot Wheels. All right? If you sell Hot Wheels like these mini Hummers, if I can get a deal, I'll probably buy one from you. Man, I love all these crazy trinkets. You can see my back walls. What I like to shop. I'm always on eBay screwing off and, what's it called? Amazon. And some other cool websites. But yeah, if you have a business, you can submit and see if you can, get in here. I mean, Canada, if you live in Asian areas, if you're down below in Australia, is it Brisbane, Sydney, all right, well, come aboard. Let's have a good time. Get your business in here, and then we'll get you looking at businesses to save. Products, services. Millions of deals are going to be back here. Just take your time. And be patient, but I want you to be an affiliate. I want you to get a whole bunch of people to join you so you have some nice piles of cash coming in each month. Wouldn't that be nice? Then whatever money you save, you can invest it or save it, obviously, or go ahead and do some shopping. But yeah, find some deals and save. Because at the end of the day, isn't it nice to save? Even if you have a big check account, there's nothing wrong with just going, man, I just saved $20 here and $1,000 there. So anyway, when you go to ilovesaveclub.com, you're going to watch this little video. This is our founder. His name's his name's Charles. I don't know why. I call him Mike all the time. His name's Charles. Call him Chuck. All right. He lives down in Vegas, my second home. And if you like what this video shows you, and hopefully if you like this video you're watching now of me blabbing away, just fill out this form right here. Click the orange button. You're going to get a Save Club email. And that's where you can join or just get more information. I'll send you an email every day until you say unsubscribe. I want you to join. I want you to save money, but I want you to earn money too. But I need you to join now because it's June 4th. We're only 4 days in. We're signing up 1,000 people right now. And we're going to have thousands a week. But then we're going to get to thousands a day. And that's where downlines and teams and groups like you and I are going to grow real quick. Usually with these type of businesses, when there's a matrix, he or she who joins in the beginning usually has a big ass smile on their face. And in this case, every Friday when payday comes in. So think about it. I'll help you if I can. All I can do is just extend information. You can see my email address, Cory@CoryDraper.com. And if I'm on Facebook, just inbox me. If you want to look at it, ilovesaveclub.com. And if you're already in Save Club but you feel stuck and you want to join more of a team with a lot more training and support, live Zoom, get you stuck out of that rut or get you out of that rut. If you're stuck, go to Save Club Funnels. Watch that video. See if it convinces you to join because instead of a 6-minute video, it's 20. It just takes its time. It shows you more about Save Club so you don't have to. But saveclubfunnels.com, $25. It is so worth it. And if you like what you see, I hope you get it because I think it really helps people join you. It's definitely helping people join me, okay? All right, that's it, guys. I'm at the 10-minute mark. ilovesaveclub.com and saveclubfunnels.com. You got my contact info. Don't be shy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Boom, and email me or inbox me on Facebook. All right, guys. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.